Hey Google, how many calories are in a bowl of eforivo? Fall river now. This is messed up. No way. Calories in a bowl of efori.
Here is some information for how many calories bowl of cereal.
No.
According to Nutrition Action, serving. Here are some pictures that match.
Evil weevil. Like. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day to lose weight. I start off with 1 cover of apple cider vinegar and water. For breakfast we're having smoothie, and if you guys have seen my smoothie recipe video, you'll be familiar with this one. If you haven't, I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen or in the description box below or at the end of the video. So I'm just going to take some protein shake with yogurt and fruits. The fruits I'll be using is bananas, For breakfast, I consumed 195 calories. So 1 full banana is 105 calories, 55 calories from the protein shake with 105 calories from the banana. I told you banana has a lot of calories. So if you're going to implement any fruit in your smoothie in the morning, try to use other fruits like strawberry and raspberries, blackberries. Those ones have lesser calories than banana. I added about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So for Greek yogurt, about 2 tablespoons is what, 35 calories. So altogether for my breakfast, I had less than 200 calories for my breakfast, and it's going to fill me. It's very filling, trust me. 1 full cup is very filling. Proteins are usually very filling, and it reduces your appetite, and if you consume them in moderation, they can be very useful in your weight loss journey. I'm making a bowl of salad, and I'm not sure how many calories this carrot is. Like how many calories is a baby carrot? I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of relish, and 1 tablespoon of relish is about, let's say, 15 calories. I'll be adding soft white cheese, and 4 tablespoons is about 60 calories, so I'll use half of that, which is 30 calories. For our lemonade, we're going to be using half a medium-sized lemon. This was all I could squeeze out. Maybe if I tried more, I could definitely get more out, but this will do. Just gonna remove the seeds, and I'm going to add honey. So the best honey you can use is Manuka honey, but I'm just going to use the honey I have at home. And one tablespoon of honey is about 60 calories, but I'm using 1 teaspoon. So let's just say 60 calories. That's fine. and we're going to add some water. So you can take this hot or cold. I love to take it cold when I take it in the afternoon with my lunch. So I'm going to be adding cold water and ice cubes. Lunch is served. This is messed up. No way. Calories in a bowl of enquiries. Alright, so dinner is almost done. Plantain, a full plantain. I'm going to fry it. I have here a foriro. I'm going to show you guys what this is, and white rice cooking. This is what dinner looks like. 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of vegetable soup, and a full plantain fried. I fried this plantain with canola oil. The canola oil, about 4 tablespoons of canola oil. That looks absolutely yummy, like so yum. In Nigerian vegetable soup, it's called eforiro, and I checked online to see what a bowl of eforiro calorie would be like. It's about 183 calories per bowl. I'm not sure of that figure, but that's what I got online. And this is long white rice, which is about 272 calories per bowl, and a full plantain is about 215 calories. And I used canola oil. 2 tablespoons of canola oil is about 82 calories. Alright guys, so let's go over everything I ate today and how many calories I consumed. First, for breakfast I had smoothie, and that was about 195 calories. Let's just say approximately 200 calories. For lunch I had salad with lemonade, and it's about let's see, 126 calories. Let's just say approximately 150 calories. For dinner I had a foriro with white rice and plantain, and it was about 752 calories. Let's just say 800 calories. Okay, all of that put together is less than 1,500 calories. So I had less than 1,500 calories today. Everything I ate today are rich in proteins, nutrients, fibers, which will further help with weight loss. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming to the end of this video. If you have any questions for me, or you have any other video suggestions, like more details on calorie counting, more details on weight loss, you want to see more recipes like my snack recipe, because I do snack a lot in between the day. So if you want to see like my snack recipe, things that I make myself at home and consume, and also help with weight loss, or you just want to say hello to me, you can put it all down in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. It is completely free. Please support my channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell beside it. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video or my other videos. Check them out. Bye.